Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video we are going to check the free virtual internship certification program on the data analytics. And friend, this virtual internship program is provided by the Quantium, which is a multinational organization. So it is a very good opportunity for all the working professionals, freshers and the students who want to make their career in data analytics field. And friend, you can take this virtual internship from any country. So please watch the video complete. We are going to discuss all these things, how you will get the certificates, what is the registration process. So please watch the video complete. So friend, you can see here we are at the official page of the Forage, who is providing the data analytics certificate with the Quantium company. So you can see here, friend, this virtual internship program is a free, so you did not have to pay any money. So you can see some of the fee regarding this virtual internship program is given. So you can see here this virtual experience program is a free for the students, and friend, it is also for the working professional and the freshers. So how we will going to discuss later. And friend, after that you can see this program is a self-paced and it takes around 5 to 6 hours to complete. So friend, it is a very good things that when you will get the time you can complete this virtual internship. And friend, you will get the practical skills and experience from the Quantium, and you can use this certification in your resume, in your LinkedIn profile, so that your candidature becomes stronger. So friend, you have the question in mind that why you join this virtual experience program. So you can see here regarding the company is given, that is a Quantium was founded in 2002, has a long history of innovation in data science across all sectors of economy. And frame, it is a rapidly growing global leader in data science and artificial intelligence. And friend, they are dedicated to growing their team, ambitious, diverse and fun employees. And team of employees working together to harness the power of data to drive revolutionary change that benefit us and deliver the best result for their clients. And friend, you can see here through this program they will act as a data analyst, you and Quantium, and take part in the challenging but fun work our data analyst to do daily. So which work do by the data analyst you have to do, and you will learn the practical skills such as data validation, data visualization, then statistical testing and more. And friend, after completing each module, you will be able to compare your work with real model solutions created by the Quantium team for a chance to learn directly industry leaders. So friend, it is a very good thing and you will get the practical knowledge. And friend, you can see a small video is given who by the Lauren, who is the executive manager analytics community Sydney. So they will tell you about this virtual internship program. So friend, I will provide the link in the description box, so from where you can access it and check it. So let's check the some of the benefits we have discussed earlier. So the in the earlier I had told that you will get the certificates, and you will get the knowledge, and you will learn directly from the Quantium team, and you will get the real work experience. So the real project you will handle, and you can use this certificate in your CV and LinkedIn profile, and you can see be shortlisted for exclusive opportunity. So upon completion, you will be entered into an exclusive pool where Quantium will reach out with opportunities for in-person position, networking, events and mentoring programs and stacks more. So some of the benefits you will get, and you can see be seen by Quantium. So the power in your hands, option to share your work and profile with the graduate academy team at Quantium to stand out. So if you are applying for the job, you will get the some preference more as compared to other candidates. So let's check what things you will learn in this virtual internship program. So you can see in the first thing you will learn the data preparation and customer analytics, and after that you can see you have to conduct analysis on your client's transaction data set and identify customer purchasing behaviors to generate insights and provide commercial recommendations. You will get the practical skills of data validation, then data visualization, data wrangling, and some programming. And after that, you can see in the next things you will learn the experimentation and outfit testing. So you will learn extend your analysis from the task that will help you to identify benchmark stores that allow you to test the impact of the trial store layouts on the customer sales. So in which you have to do the things like data analysis, commercial thinking, and statistical testing. So these things you will learn. And again you have to scroll down, friend. So you can see here in the last module you will learn the analytics and commercial applications. So you have to use your analytics and insight from task 1 and task 2, prepare a report for your client and category manager, in which you have to do the commercial thinking, and you have to do the presentation skills. Presentation is a very important part of the data analytics, because you use the some of the software to generate the insights, and after that you have to present in your team with the multiple stakeholders and provide the outputs. And one of the very key factors of the data analytics is that your communication skills should be very good. So you can see this will also you will learn by the practical. So friend, these are the things you will learn. So how you will register we will discuss later. Let's check what types of certificates you will get. And friend, if you're not subscribed Mechanical Stream yet, please subscribe. We are making the videos related to the free certification courses, internships, interview tips. And friend, if you have any doubt in your mind, please comment in the video so that we can check it and also make a video on that. And friend, please like and subscribe Mechanical Stream. So let's check the what types of certificates you will get. So you can see here this type of certificates you will get. And friend, you can see here Quantium logo is given, and on the below you can see here your name will be given. And after that you can see the internship topic is given, that is data analytics virtual experience program. And you will also get the certificate of completion in which you date mentioned, that is you can see here. And friend, after that you can see what types of things you have learned in your virtual internship will be given here, like you can see data preparation and customer analytics experience, and test you can see testing and analytics and commercial application. So this type of topics you will learn will be mentioned here. And after that, friend, you can see authorization certificate is also given. So if anyone has a doubt on your certificates, they can also verify it. And friend, it is authorized by the you can see executive manager analytics community, you can see here, and also CEO of the 4H. So friend, you will get the authorized certificates. So this type of certificates you will get. So let's check how you have to register for this virtual internship program. So friend, you can see here once you scroll this page, I will provide the link in the description box. So once you scroll, then you can see here register now button is given. So you have to click on that. And once you click, friend, then this type of window will come. So you can see if you already your account in the forest, then you can directly log in and continue. If not, then you can see here at the bottom is given don't have account forest, so you have to do this sign up. So once you click, friend, then this type of window will appear. And you can see here sign up with email option is given, so you have to select on that. And once you click, then this type of window will come. So here you can see you have to provide the here various things, like you have to provide your first name, and please provide it correctly because it will print on your certificate. Then you have to enter your last name, then you have to enter your email address, and you have to create one password. And after that you have to select your education, that is you are the high school students or university or college, or you are the working professionals or the freshers. So you can select it. So as I have told earlier that in the starting you can see here they have mentioned that this program is for the student. So it is not only for the students, but it is also for the working professionals. So for working professionals or the freshers, you have to select in last one option. And after that you have to select the how did you hear about this virtual internship program, like you can select the social media, Google, Instagram, or any other things. And after that you have to click on this register. And friend, once you click, you will be registered in your virtual internship program, and from there you can access it and complete this virtual internship program. So friend, if you have any doubt regarding this virtual internship program, please comment in the video so that we can check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream. Thank you.